So we have 1429A and 2587G and 1718C on blue. We are ready to go. We can start autonomous. In the meantime, both blue run out. Red makes a move out, but there is no scoring so far. 3 seconds to go. And that's autonomous, no score. And here we go, tail out, 3, 2, 1, go. So let's see who can move some mobile bases. That's all about the mobile bases in this game. Red making move, here comes blue, 1718C with the mobile base, all the way into the 20 point for blue. Nicely done. And their partner answers back with 1 in the 10. So we have 2 mobile bases versus none for red. 1429A trying to answer it into the 20. And they get 1 if they can release it. Here comes a 3rd mobile base for blue. They only have 1 left with a minute and 2 seconds to go. 1718C is going to try to pick up that last mobile base for the Blue Alliance. Their partner is going to try to put 1 more cone on it for it. Still have plenty of time with 47 seconds to go. Red still having issues trying to release that mobile base. So blue decides to go ahead and take the mobile base with 1 cone on it. Let's see if they can get that in there with the last 27 seconds to go. And that is not scored yet. Now it is. Red's still having issues with that mobile base. With 16 seconds to go. They add another cone, 2587G, that's DiscoBots. Now 5 seconds to go, both blue in the park position. Red still trying to get that off with no time left.